This is the solution of 2024 times 2 paper 1 ASL question 7. So it's again one of those popular A sine bx plus c or plus d kind of question. The question starts by asking us to find a, b, c. So that's pretty standard. B is 2 pi over the period of the graph, which if you read, period is how long it takes to complete one cycle. This is one cycle, and it goes from 0 to 12, so the period is 12. And hence we get pi over 6. Then we'll find A and C. A is the amplitude, which is measured from the middle to the top. So that's like, what, 15 to 20? So 5. C is the value of the middle line, so 15. And then we go to holiday. So the temperature of the water is now this. All right, for the temperature 5 months later, that's probably substituting x to be 5. So 5 half of 6. If we change it to degree, right, pi is 180. So that's like 150. So this is sine 150. So we need to know from cast that 150 is in quadrant 2. Right, it's like this angle is 150. So this would be 30. So it is corresponding to the reference angle of 30. C-A-S-T. 150 is in the S quadrant, so it's positive. So sine 150 must have been positive sine 30. Sine 30 spectral angles is half, so it's 3.5 times half plus 11. Right. So again, you need to know the cast diagram thing in order to do this. What's 3.5 times half? 3.5 is what? 7/2 times half plus 11. So that's 7/4 plus 44/4. So that's what? 51? I don't know why they made us do calculation like this. Next, they say, why is it never warm enough for him to swim? I think if you read the question, it says he can only swim when the temperature is at least 15. Alright, so well, somehow you need to read. Yeah. So the question is, why is this never 15? Well, the reason is the maximum for sine is 1. So the maximum temperature is really 3.5 times 1 plus 11, which is only 14.5. So we can never swim. Compared to two models and finds that gx is 0.7 times of fx plus q, find q. Okay, so that's rather straightforward. He wants this, which is gx, to be 0.7 of fx. Fx was what we found, like in the previous part. Like this is fx, this graph is fx. So it's like what? It's 5 sine pi over 6 plus 15, and then plus q. So 0.7 times 5 is 3.5. Then sine pi over 6. Is this pi over 6 as well? Yeah, this is a pi. I wrote it wrong. That's the annoying part when it's 0.7 times 15. So it seems like we want us to calculate stuff by hand right now. So it's 10.5. So in order to get 11, Q would be 0.5. Yeah, that's a pretty stupid question.